Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today we're going to talk about the college application video. What is it? Many college and university admissions departments are adding a new item to their application list, and that item is the admissions video. College application videos can be an excellent cost-free evaluative alternative to the SAT or ACT scores that are now optional at many colleges and universities. Many schools that are using this video tool are using it to determine a student's fit with their culture and campus. And all institutions using this tool pretty much are using it to get additional insight into a student's personality, motivations, and goals. To those of you who are super excited about writing your personal statement, congratulations. You have another opportunity for self-expression, another way in which you can quite literally use your voice to speak to admissions. To those of you who are dreading the college essay as a mode of personal expression, don't worry. This is a different medium. You have more flexibility, different opportunities for self-expression and self-presentation. So this is something maybe you might even take to a little bit more than the written word. One thing that's for sure is that these college application videos are on the rise, and it is going to be worth it for you to start thinking about how can you present yourself in this visual form in a way that's going to be memorable? How can you use this new tool to distinguish yourself from similarly qualified applicants? Luckily for you, we here at College Essay Advisors know a thing or two about storytelling in various media, including film. So if you feel ill-prepared to execute this task, or if you're just looking for a second opinion to see how admissions might respond to what you've made, get in touch with us. We're happy to give you more information about our rates and advisor availability.